couple of these little U-bolts from Home Depot. Nothing expensive. I think they're like $3 or $4. This is what's gonna set this cable up, just to hold it in place. It's not gonna have a lot of strength on there. I just want it to hold. Like I said, I'm not gonna be pulling the car with this stuff, so a little bit of action will hold it. I got one more over here. We're gonna run it to the back. I got this spool of cable I got from my buddy, hooked me up. So now I'm gonna run this all the way to the back. Hold what tension I got on there. Whoever made the ratchet, it's amazing. They knew you needed it one day to just chick, 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 chick. So this thing was a lot of fun. It was a fun build. I wanted to do it just for fun. I'm always filming on the thing, and I was like, let's get a shot like a helicopter style. A bunch of pieces, like all of my builds, are just from stuff I find around the yard or in the RC bin. These two tires, I actually put an axle right here. This is a Yoda 2 axle up, like, you know, vertical. I put a drive shaft on there going to a transmission. First I did it motor straight to a wheel. It just didn't have the torquing power, and it would overheat and just stop running. So I had to put a transmission. So I used a differential, I used a whole differential with a transmission. Geared it kind of high because it was kind of slow at first, so I put it a little faster. Now it goes pretty fast. I used a brushed motor instead of a brushless. I didn't need a brushless on there, so I didn't. I put a regular quick run from, I guess, Hobby Wing. What is it? I think it's a Hobby Wing. Just a regular like 1080, I think. And that's pretty much it. Found these wheels, these steel wheels, braced it up with just a front end, like front end steering things, made them solid so they didn't turn. Over here, I made this so you could be able to turn it. So if you wanted a side shot, you could still turn it sideways and get it. You know, you could turn it backwards and get a back view of it. Like if you were going forward, if you're going forward, you can get a back view. If you want to go forward the other way, you can go that way. I made it kind of versatile in case you wanted to get a different shot of whatever. Side shot, frontward shot, backward shot. It all I kind of thought about it a little bit. The balancing is pretty much just weight balanced. That's why I got this long rod. Just like them people walking with them long rods on the cable, I figured it's the same way. So I used a long steel rod. It kind of balanced really well, and it didn't move like I thought it would move. If I had a gyro, it would have been pretty cool to put on there because it would always, like, you know, stay stable, but I didn't have one of those. I used what I got. But it's super cool build. It was fun to make. I wish I would have had footage of me making it, but I didn't. I'm just gonna show you what I got. It moves pretty cool. I like it. I got reverse on it, kind of slow, but forward, I got it pretty quick. It's not that loud. It's pretty good. Even in this wet weather right now, them tires are grabbing pretty good, but I can control it. It's super fun as well to drive. You would not think so, but this thing is actually really fun to drive. Even though it goes forward and back, but you can turn your camera. It's so weird that it's so fun to drive. It gave me some pretty good clips that I like. It gave me some good camera angles. I thought it was just a fun build. All in all, fun build. Get outside your comfort zone and just build something, create something, and have fun doing it. So that's pretty much the whole thing, is just build something cool. And yeah. this was a really fun build. I hope y'all like it. Tell me what you think about it. See, if y'all built something like this, let me know. Yeah, I like reading y'all's comments, so let me know if y'all like it or not, or y'all want to see more of these builds from just craziness. But thanks for watching. I enjoyed having y'all watch this.